Oh, it's on. What is up, YouTube family? Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Dudley, aka Dudley Dud. Now let's get into today's topic, man. Today's topic, I'm gonna show you guys or talk about 4 ways that you guys can create passive income for yourself. Now on this channel, we're all about total health and prosperity. Okay, that means physical, nutritional, mental and spiritual, and of course a big part of being well is having financial freedom, is having prosperity, because I believe that nobody should have to worry about whether they can afford to eat healthy or afford to take care of their medical issues. Okay, so this is why I'm including a lot of financial nuggets on this channel, and I hope you guys enjoy it, because ultimately I believe that abundance is all of our birthright. I believe that you deserve to prosper and you deserve the best life possible. So before I even begin, let's dive right into the question, what is passive income? Now, a lot of you guys ask me this in my comments or through DM on Instagram. Now, in simple words, passive income is money that works for itself, okay? Meaning you can make money while you sleep. Now, a lot of people have this confused as a way to make free money. Let me remind you, there is no such thing as free. It's the law of the universe. It's the law of exchange. You must first put forth value and a service to people, and then in return you get rewarded and get value added back to you. So in this video, I'm going to break it down. Understand that you will have to put forth an initial amount of effort in the beginning, but ultimately once that work is put up front, it will open up more time for you to do other things that may be more lucrative to whatever your end goal is, and you'll be able to have time freedom. And time freedom is the most valuable asset there is, okay? So let's get into it. The first way that you can make passive income is, of course, what I'm talking to you guys through right now. It's YouTube. Now, YouTube is a different one. It's a bit of an earned income as well as passive. And what I mean by earned is that you do have to upload videos and edit and put forth the work, but you're gonna see a common theme with these other ways to make passive income as I get into them. So with YouTube, you do have to put forth the work and add value. Again, the denominator for all these is value. You have to upload videos that either help people, entertain them, add some sort of value. But the real cool thing is, even months or even years after making a YouTube video, you can still be getting paid off of that video while you sleep. So for example, I have a couple of videos from 2-3 years ago that I'm still getting paid off of. You know, on some months I make $15 off of one video, on another 30. But when you have over 150 videos like myself or somebody way bigger than me, it can add up. And it's extra money, you know, so maybe you'll be able to pay your Wi-Fi bill, electricity bill, or just have some extra money for groceries. It's a really good additional stream of income, I'll put it that way. Now, there are a lot of people that make YouTube their full-time job and it's their sole income, and it's great. Obviously, those channels are a lot bigger, but if you're somebody that's not really into making YouTube your life, it can be an additional income, an additional stream of income that you generate revenue through by adding value and then reaping the benefits months and years later. Now, some people might say, but Dudley, don't you have to continuously upload videos to make money? This may be a little bit true, but here's what you can do. You can create a library of videos on your channel that people will always constantly search, videos that will be relevant. Doesn't matter what time it is. Like for me, right, I have a ton of vegan recipes on my channel, things that are always going to be relevant. I have how to make vegan chicken alfredo, vegan wings. All these things are constantly getting views each month, and thus I'm making a little bit of money off of that. So what you can do is just make a library on your channel of how-tos, or just adding value to people, and you can continuously make money while you sleep. You have to understand this. YouTube is under Google, and Google is the #1 search engine in the world. All YouTube is essentially is a database for information. People come on YouTube every day by the billions searching for information. And if you can provide value and information, you can make money off of a video that you made years ago for the rest of your life. And that's the really cool thing about YouTube, you know. it's really dope because you get to add value to people and impact lives, and ultimately you get that same energy reciprocated to you. So that's the number one, well, not the number one, but that's number one on my list of a way that you can make passive income in 2019 and moving forward. To be honest, it's a great additional stream of income that you can generate some revenue to pay your bills or whatever. So moving on to number 2, affiliate marketing. Now this one is a game changer. Basically what it is certain companies add programs that you can join, whether it's Amazon or I believe that you could become an affiliate marketer through them or whatever brand or company, and you become a brand ambassador for that company and you advertise it to your audience, and based off of how many people you redirect from your platform onto theirs, you make a commission off of that. Now I will say this is a very slippery slope. A lot of people see this opportunity and they run after it, so they promote any product on their website or channel or whatever. I personally don't do that. And for all of my people who have been subscribed to me for a long time, you know that I'm telling the truth. I've only promoted about probably 3 products here on this channel. They're only products that I absolutely believe in and stand by. I don't believe that you should just promote anything just to make money, because then that shows who you really are as a person. And I've always told you guys that I know that a lot of you guys trust me here in this community, and I would never want to steer you wrong by endorsing a product just to get money off of it. So if you're gonna do affiliate marketing, you definitely don't want to promote something just for the money. Make sure that you actually like the product, because you can be ultimately doing damage to a relationship that you have with your viewers, and in my opinion, you never want to do that. You always want to keep it 100, you know what I'm saying, keep it real honest with your audience. And if you don't necessarily like a product, or if that product doesn't match with your vision, you don't have to take that money, because at the end of the day, the relationship that you have with your audience is way more important than a few extra dollars. But if used right, there are people who have only 200 subscribers on YouTube, but through affiliate marketing, they're crushing it. They're making thousands of dollars a month. It is a great way to make an additional income, okay? If the product is good and you're giving your audience a discount and they're going up and buying, I know that some companies and brands offer up to 50% commission. So for example, if you were advertising a product that was like $200 and you got 160 subscribers to sign up for that product, and that company was offering 50% commission, you would essentially make $100 off of each person while adding value to them. So that's a win-win. Everybody's happy. So affiliate marketing is a way to make passive income in 2019 and moving forward, because you can get sales while you're sleeping, you can get sales while you're at your current job, or just really enjoying your life. And that's the beauty of affiliate marketing, is that you continuously make money while you're adding value to people. So the third way that you can make passive income is drop shipping. Now, this is an avenue of making money that has been getting increasingly popular over the course of the last year. Now, for those of you that don't know, let me simplify and explain what drop shipping is. Basically, drop shipping has been around since the beginning of time in business, but it's become more popular now that people are starting to understand what it is. All drop shipping is selling a product that you don't have to actually hold the inventory in your house or place or factory, whatever. So basically, somebody comes on your store, they make a purchase, you contact your supplier, and the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. Everybody is happy. The customer gets the product, the supplier gets paid by you doing business through them, and then you get compensated back. So everybody wins. Now, a lot of people think that this is a scam because of its recent popularity, but literally everything is like this in business, okay? For example, I guarantee you that 95% of you are watching this video through a cell phone. For example, your cell phone, you probably got it for anywhere between $400 and $1,000, right? Now, that actual cell phone probably costs $30 to $40 to make, but Apple or Droid has to make money off of that to sustain their business. So they're gonna increase the price for their labor, and then they're gonna put it at retail price, which is what you bought it at. So even though the wholesale price might have been $30, $40, for all of the labor they had to put, they increased the price. So this is all drop shipping is. I'm giving you guys real gems right now, real facts, real tea. I'm giving you guys all of this knowledge for absolutely free. So I hope you appreciate it, because a lot of people are not gonna give you this information, I assure you, okay? I'm gonna always keep it 100% honest with you on this channel. But that's basically what drop shipping is. So you have a product, well actually you don't have the physical product, but you have it on your store, and once a customer purchases it, you contact your supplier and you send it out. Now, this can be a game changer. There are countless six-figure earners a month making $100,000 a month off of drop shipping. Now, they may only be profiting about 40 grand of that, but how many of us would like to make 40 grand a month, right? So drop shipping can definitely be a game changer, but again, let me warn you that the common denominator between all of these is you have to add quality and service first. Drop shipping is a business. It's like any other business, you have to invest your time and energy into it. But once you start to make more sales and get bigger, you can automate the business by hiring an virtual assistant or somebody that can help you out, so that way you can invest your time into things that are going to be more lucrative for you, or just have more free time. Once you're able to automate your business, you now can make money passively. And this is why dropshipping is such a game changer. It opens up people's space and allows them to make money so that they can ultimately live a life of abundance, which we all deserve. So I definitely wanted to talk to you guys about that. It is a great way to make money. Don't be in a hurry to make quick money, because again, you have to build a store, you have to do all these things. And since I'm so honest with you guys, as I always am, I have a dropshipping site, and I'll drop it in a link below in case any of you guys are interested in starting your own store. Also, if you guys want to buy a product off the store, go ahead and hit the boy up, you know what I'm saying, and support the channel and support me and purchase an item. But I also wanted to just give you guys like a real-time view of what a dropshipping store is. Dropshipping is getting a little bit harder as the years go by, because now the consumer is getting a lot smarter, and if your site looks like a scam, they're not going to buy from it. I wouldn't buy from it. So you kind of have to brand yourself now a little bit more. But it is a great way to make some money. Like any other business, you're going to have to invest capital into it, but it can be something that can change your life. So dropshipping is a great way in 2019 and moving forward to make money, because the initial startup isn't a lot. You pay $29 for the Shopify website and you're pretty much good to go, and you can start making money right off the bat. A lot of these dropshipping gurus online will tell you that you can't make a sale within your first 24 hours and that it's gonna take 2 weeks, but I made a sale within my first 24 hours. So I know that if I can do it, you guys can do it, and I'm just trying to share the wealth and the knowledge. Now, the fourth and last way that you can make passive income in 2019 and moving forward is real estate. Now, the reason I put this one last is because you do have to raise quite a bit of capital to even be able to get into real estate. And like any other way that I've been talking about in this video, you're gonna have to put up that work initially. But if you're able to buy and invest in good properties, depending upon how many units you have, what area it is, whether it's commercial or single family homes, whatever, all those variants, you can seriously change your life by buying real estate. Now, if you get a good team behind you and you're able to automate that, depending on how much you charge for rent for each unit, you can easily make 6 figures a year, if not millions, if you invest in the right properties and gain equity in those properties. You want to make sure that you're getting properties that are going to appreciate in value. And once you do this, of course, with a little bit of elbow grease, you know, and some hard work, you can seriously set yourself up for life, and ultimately you can set your kids up for life and your kids' kids if you are really good at this. So this is definitely something that I'm looking into getting into in the future as I become more successful, and I wanted to inform you guys on this because sincerely I'm going to continuously give you guys the truth. I don't want to hold any knowledge from you guys because I want to see all of Duds Nation win. I want to see all of you guys successful, thriving and prosperous. A lot of people won't give you this type of information. I can't speak too much on real estate because I am currently learning as well, but I do know that it is something that can change your life if you get the right property, depending on where. Is a commercial, a duplex, single family homes, which I know tend to do better. But look at it this way, right? Everybody needs a place to stay, everybody. So let's say that you get an apartment complex, right? And in that complex it has 12 units. If you own all 12 of those units and you're renting it out for $9.95 a month, and you have 12 tenants or 12 families, $9.95 times 12 is what you're making each month passively. Now, of course, there's going to be other costs, maintenance, and mortgages or whatever, but you can easily make profit off of each unit, probably like $300 a profit off of each unit, and you multiply that by 12, and so forth and so forth, depending upon how many houses and properties you own. It's endless. It's up to you. This can create generational wealth. So that's why I decided to include real estate in the fourth way that you can create passive income. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like it, make sure to hit a like and a comment down below. Subscribe. You definitely want to hit the bell so you're not caught out here, man, slacking. So you get notified every time I upload. You definitely want to get notified because I'm adding you guys tons of value in every realm of health and prosperity. So sincerely, there isn't much more for me to say, guys. I love you, and as always, stay blessed.